7:30 on Saturday night, only 11 and a half hours from the main bathroom reveals, and Jess is filthy with herself about her bathtub choice.
I'm an idiot. How can you not know that a bath isn't stone?
You're kidding me, aren't you? Like, Saturday night, room reveals in...
Less than 12 hours.
And now, you want to go shopping.
Don't crack it, mate.
No.
Bloody hell, people are dying and you're cracking it about me talking about a bath.
I'm like, I'll just look on Gumtree. I found a wholesaler that sells grey terrazzo baths online. I'll tell you the situation I'm in. I've just opened the bath we've ordered and it's plastic.
So is that her just on the phone now?
Yeah.
I said, mate, got a problem. Have you got any stone baths that I can buy off you tonight? He goes, yep. All right, you're a ripper. Thank you so much. We'll buy you a drink, but we might win bathroom week because of you.
Well, when she gets her head into something, she goes for it. And I have to say, she usually makes it happen too, so...
All right, babe.
Let's go.
Don't. All right.
Get it here.
Back at the block, Jess is chuffed that she averted the fiasco of installing a plastic bath into her multi-million-dollar penthouse. Now her new luxury stone bathtub, purchased on Gumtree, has arrived.
Oh, she's beautiful. We've got to lift it up 4 flights of steps up to the penthouse, so we'll see how we go.
The last stone thing that went up into the penthouse level was Bianca and Carla's feature wall, which required 4 big, strong tradies with a trolley. But Jess has only got a couple of blokes she found on Airtasker, who she's paying $50 each.
Thank you. I'm so grateful.
Yeah, one of my many talents, furniture removals.
Given it's a stone bath, funny how these guys are, well, barely raising a sweat.
You want to keep going?
It's not actually heavy.
Isn't it?
Bath turned up and got put into place. And
Perfect.
great colour, great design.
If anything was going to win or lose us a room, it's going to be that bath.